Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Priceline to book hotels. If you're planning a trip and want to compare hotel options quickly while getting competitive rates, Priceline makes the entire booking process straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Priceline.com. This will take you directly to Priceline's homepage where you can start your hotel search. Once you're on the homepage, look at the navigation bar at the top of the page and click on Hotels. This ensures you're searching specifically for hotel accommodations rather than flights or rental cars. Now you'll see a search field labeled Where To. Click on it and type in your destination city. This could be anywhere you're planning to travel, whether it's a major city or a smaller town. Priceline will pull up relevant hotel options based on your input. Next, you'll need to select your travel dates. Look for the calendar icons next to the destination field and click on them to choose your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure these dates align with your actual travel plans, as this will determine availability and pricing for the hotels. After setting your dates, you'll need to specify how many rooms and guests you need. Click on the Rooms and Guests section, enter the appropriate numbers, then click Done. This information helps Priceline show you only the accommodations that can properly accommodate your party size. Once everything is filled in, click Find Your Hotel and wait a few seconds while the page loads. Priceline is now searching through thousands of hotel options that match your criteria, so give it a moment to compile the results. Once the page loads, you'll notice various filtering options on the left panel of the page. Look for property types and select hotels from the available options. This narrows down your search to show only traditional hotels rather than vacation rentals or other accommodation types. Wait a few seconds for the page to refresh with your filtered results. Now comes the fun part, choosing your hotel. Scroll down through the available options and review the hotels based on price, location, amenities, and guest reviews. When you find one that looks perfect for your needs, click Choose Your Room to proceed. You'll be taken to a page showing different room options within that hotel. Click See Availability to view all the available rooms for your selected dates. Review the room types, bed configurations, and any special features or inclusions. Once you've found the room that works best for you, click Book to move forward with your reservation. At this point, you'll need to provide the reservation details. Type in the reservation name or guest information, including the first and last name of the person who will be checking in. Make sure this information is accurate, as the hotel will use it to verify your reservation upon arrival. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details in the Enter Your Credit Card or Payment section. Carefully type in your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Double-check these details to ensure there are no errors that could delay or prevent your booking. Finally, provide any additional necessary information in the billing section, then click Book and Pay to complete your reservation. Priceline will process your payment and send you a confirmation email with all your booking details, including your reservation number and hotel contact information. And that's it, you've successfully booked your hotel through Priceline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.